How to start a business with Cricut Maker 3. Top 5 ideas to start your business with Cricut Maker 3. Idea 1. Stickers. Step 1. Use the Cricut Design Space to print and then the cut feature to make and sell stickers online. Step 2. You can go to a website like Creative Market to download trendy sticker images. Idea 2. Customs cups. Step 1. Create cool designs using permanent vinyl and apply them to mugs, tumblers, or water bottles. Step 2. You can do personalized names, funny quotes, the options are endless. Idea 3. Sticker decals and labels. Step 1. Create sticker decals and labels for walls, kitchens, fridges, mugs, and more. You can easily sell stickers to people who love to organize their stuff. Idea 4. Vinyl t-shirts. Step 1. The most profitable business you can start is vinyl t-shirts with anything related to anime, family, motivational quotes, etc. Idea 5. Wall stickers. Step 1. With Cricut, you can make beautiful wall designs that are easy to apply and remove, which people love. You can also sell them in sets or offer personalized options. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.